It's me, Lisa, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing my slime collection. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So this is the first slime. I don't know what it is. I don't know. This can be called a sticky goo. Because look at it. It's sticky. It got bubbles. But the bubbles, I don't know what's wrong with it. So yeah, this is the first one.
I thought you didn't want to tell you about this. He's still in love with you. Well, you don't have to get the secret too. Not just from you, from everyone. Dating fluctuates humiliating. But fluctuate dating says
Yeah,
now.
put this up. What is that slime? So yeah, second slide. The color it is. It might not look bright on camera, but it's really bright.
Olive is the love of my life. Oh,
Sorry,
gosh.
my camera.
I'm sorry, it just
So
happened.
this is the first
But to be
slime.
fair, I don't think you were
The
really having a
second
shower.
slime.
Wow,
ASMR.
you so girl. I never had any chocolate.
Do a little
Then opposite girl, you
ASMR.
never had any chocolate. You have to be more specific. That could literally be any girl. I'm talking about China. You? Go out with China? Yep. I'm not going to
So
enjoy it.
that was that slime. Now this slime. This is the old grandpa slime. It's like it's gray, and it look like it's I don't know.
Hey Fletcher, I was wondering if you want to go to the movie shop. Sorry, I can't write $100. Okay, no problem.
Okay,
There!
it's out.
No! You call that flirting? What do you know how to avoid
Okay. Don't mind the background. My sister here watching TV.
Impossible to resist.
So yeah,
Like
this
this.
slime.
Now that you have the look down, we need to work on your flirting skills. Pretend I'm Fletcher. Okay. Fletcher, get out of my room. Flirt with me. Okay.
That was that slime. That slime is this blueberry scented slime. It smells like blueberry.
Yes. I am determined to have some fun
So
in this.
yeah,
But don't
I can
worry.
just pour it out. I wish I could just do that.
Watch.
Okay.
Cheerleading is cool.
Girl.
Give it a try. If you don't, I'll make you cry. So stop your sulking, quit your whining, or your tombstones I'll be deciding. Yay! That's
I'll be right back when I get these out. This is the slime. I finally got it out. Thank God. So yeah, this is it.
in those come hither clothes and whispering sweet factoids into my ear to impress me.
Okay.
Sorry, China. Missed the boat.
So,
Wrong boat now.
be honest, this is really sticky. You probably could already tell because I'm grabbing, pulling this so fast. But yeah, so on to the last slime. So this is the last slime. It's a great slime.
14.
So yeah, this is what the blue. What? It's not blue. It is purple. I don't know why it's blue. It's purple. No, that's what am I seeing? I'm seeing stuff because this is not blue. This is purple. Okay, so it's not. It's sticky and then it's good. So you can't pull it like that.
Hey, my Olive.
Yeah.
Got you a present for our 2-day anniversary.
So that was
Aw, I didn't have to do that. I did not express it.
So this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to leave my music down in the bio. So